up here. Ho, 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 ho. And away we go. New little projects. Go!
Just got to go and tell him to be quiet.
Yeah, I just think that looks too cool. Let's get a little bit of action from this. The barbecue, the little drunk table, and God bless America and New Zealand.
It's Sydney on his favourite spot.
Oh, Squid, you're over there. What you doing? What you doing?
It's not as bad as it was, is it? That's drying out.
I love these little pieces, eh? Yeah.
Got it.
Good. Well, looks like we've got a little feast here. Yeah, been a bit of a day. Blue moments. Blue velvet. Look at that thing over there, huh? And kind of cruise around, and it's dinner time.